What's up, y'all? It's Emma and welcome back to the channel. We are currently in the Ed Hardy offices in New York City. We are prepping for the Rogue X Ed Hardy drop. A lot of y'all were commenting on our TikTok, oh my gosh, I have vintage Ed Hardy this, vintage Ed Hardy that. Because of that, not only are we going to be dropping our collab pieces, we're also going to be having an Ed Hardy sample sale at the same time. Come with me in here. This is the secret closet, guys. I'm going to show y'all some of the pieces, and the crazy thing about this sale, guys, pieces are starting at $20. Okay, so let's see what we got. Banger, first item, cropped red Ed Hardy hoodie, Ed Hardy baby tee. Oh, look at this Black Panther thermal with the flame sleeves. What is this guy called again? The Dementor? Billy and Mandy, the Grim Reaper. So basically what we're doing here today, guys, is picking the SKUs that we like from here to include in the sample sale. We're gonna hand pick what we think is the best styles. I know it's not summer anymore, but like, I think we've gotta get a couple jorts. Gotta get a couple mini skirts. I'm loving this one. Snakes on the pocket. Oh my God, this back patch is also so nice. I also love all of the Ed Hardy sweats. Oh my God, I haven't even seen these. Like, look at these leopard ones. I love. It's giving Y2K, juicy, snooky. Definitely gonna have some sweats. Oh, a little tummy out. This is really cute to me. Like, it reminds me of Ed Hardy like koi design, but this is not the koi fish. This to me is so Tara yummy. I feel like Tara would wear this. Look at how cute this is. Sets are so slept on, I feel like. You don't have to think and you're gonna look put together. Easy. All right, what else? This is kind of similar to like our collab tee that we made, the rhinestone studded skull horse tee, but ours has a different dagger skull on the back. These are cool. Ed Hardy on the butt. Not only can you cop the very exclusive Rogue X Ed Hardy collection, but you can get some sample pieces additionally. We'll have like boxy tees like this. Love a hoodie for the winter. It's so soft. Oh my God. I love all the black and white prints. Look how put together you will be. If I wore this, I would be a rapper or something. Maybe we'll get some bombers, guys. We actually used this in one of our designs that didn't make it to printing. Another thermal. Oh, love the colors on this guy. Tapestry type hoodie. Comment down below, would y'all wear this? Death is certain, life is not. This is sick. This is very cute. Like a cropped jersey. I think this would be so cute to wear to like a concert. You can imagine like Billie Eilish wearing something like this, you know what I mean? Also, I'm gonna be her for Halloween. What do you think? Because the hair.
What about Edna Mode?
I didn't order my wig in time.
It's been on the calendar.
I know.
I can't believe this.
Jenny, I know it's really bad. These are a crazy print. It's like giving Eric Emanuel, but like Ed Hardy. I feel like these are kind of like a sexy basketball short. Like the inseam is really short. Maybe Adam Sandler, if you like, come by. Love a twofer. So that's a little sneak preview, guys, of everything that's gonna be at the Ed Hardy sample sale that we're having the same day as our Rogue X Ed Hardy collab drop. It's gonna be Saturday, November 8th. Doors at 12 p.m. 313 East Houston Street. And obviously, if y'all aren't in New York, roguegarms.com. Everything will be available there as well.
Yeah, no, you got some good shit here. All right, good. These sets are really important.
There was a couple that we put. I did like a brown one.
Do we have any jorts? I feel like people.
I think we threw one in there.
Okay, nice.
There's mesh, leather, there's all kinds of
Is
stuff.
there a way to get more men's tees?
That's the only thing, is we don't have too many newer, more. That's a whole other thing.
Quick update, we're now in the conference room. One day we will have a conference room like this, guys, with a giant TV and with a wall. But right now, we're in the conference room circling our favorite silhouettes for the sample sale. Gotta go for the jorts, that's 100%. This is a really cute set.
This is going to be burgundy. This is chocolate.
I think we should get both of
And
these
then you have
sets.
fire. There's one with flames on it as well.
I think we gotta get both these because they're really cute. Does the flame one sell well?
They do, yeah.
Yeah, let's get it then. This is the Kim Petras. This is very cute.
The oversized hoodie.
Yeah, okay, let's do that. I think this is really cute.
She's bringing more boxy tees too.
Okay, these jeans are very cool.
These were very cool as well.
Oh, these are jeans
men's,
too?
These are men's baggy.
Yeah, and these are mesh sleeves, right?
Yep.
Yeah, I think that's cute.
Added another one here. These are the boxy tees.
I like this gray one here.
Pick this one already.
Yeah, I like that one.
Rhinestones on it, and then this cowboy skull has rhinestones on it.
I think these two. Do these do well for you guys?
Yeah, they do because it's like.
It's like going out.
This is cute too, the vest. It's a PU vest with like a punk girl like applique on the back. Mae McKagan, Duff McKagan's daughter from Guns N' Roses. It was one of her father's vests, which is kind of cool.
That's sick. Maybe we should also just get this short sleeve mesh.
That is also a pop color. One long sleeve, one short sleeve, one hang down. I think
That's good. Yeah, this looks solid.
There's nothing solid about any of this.
Yeah, facts. This is very loud. I love this one.
Yeah.
I love all the. For real? Stop. Look at how intricate this printing is, guys. This is so sick. Wow. Cute.
You guys could share.
Oh, thank you. Oh, there we go. This is perfect. One for Haley, one for me, one for Jenny.
Oh.
Thank you, Kevin. You know what I was trying to find? We need to find the champagne. They used to sell Ed Hardy champagne. I saw it at thrift stores years ago. I want to find some. We just got handed all of the truckers that we're going to pick from for the sample sale.
They're all trucker hats.
I like this skull.
Yeah.
panther head I like. The rhinestone eagle hat. I like the pink. I just wonder if other people like versus the red.
This ivory, yes.
Yeah.
This, yes.
Okay.
That, yes. Yeah.
Okay.
You have red, white, and blue. I think that's fine. You have
Yeah.
five hats. So this is not like this is a size run. This is just one
This is
size.
easy,
So
yeah.
if you want to do whatever you want to pull for those.
Where else can y'all find brand new Ed Hardy for $20 in New York City? Rogue's Ed Hardy sample sale this Saturday, November 8th. Everything in here is going to be available and massively discounted off of retail prices. Baby tees starting at $20. Coolest hoodies y'all can imagine. The sickest jeans and jorts. Cutest mini skirts. Matching sets, meshes and dresses. And truckers for days. RSVP with the link in our bio and make sure to be there early. Saturday, November 8th, guys. Everything is gonna go quick. We'll see you there.